All right, last problem. A polynomial has a factor at x minus k if and only if f of k equals 0. That means it does not have a remainder. So let's try this example 6 and show that x minus 2 and x plus 3 are factors of this long polynomial. We're going to do this using synthetic division. You could do it using regular long division as well. Either method works perfectly fine. I'm more of a fan of using synthetic. I think it's a little faster. Use whatever works for you, though. All right, so I'm going to pick one of these factors. I'm going to start with x minus 2, which means that the 0 is 2. And let's see what we get. 2 times 2 is 4, 11, 22, 18, 36, 9, 18, and 0. Beautiful. It came out cleanly. So this is 2x cubed plus 11x squared plus 18 plus 9. We know that multiplying these two things together gets us back to our original polynomial. But we're going to go another step further. We're going to take our new factor of 2, 18, and 9 and divide it now by negative 3 to factor it once again. Let's bring down the 2, use synthetic division. Again, we get no remainder. So we have 2x squared plus 5x plus 3. And so far, we've taken this big polynomial and split it up into x minus 2, x plus 3, 2x squared plus 5x plus 3. Okay? Now we want to find the remaining factors of x. Luckily, we know how to factor a trinomial. So this last trinomial will break down. It should be 2x and x. We need to multiply to 3, and when we add, get to 5. So we're going to do a 3 here and a 1 here. And that is going to be completely factored all the way down from the original 2x to the 4th long polynomial. All right, one last example for you to try, and you will have everything for 2-3. All right, if you've tried it, here's what you should have done. 2, 1, negative 5, 2, negative 2. And that's going to be positive 1, negative 2, so it does factor. And then we'll do it again with our results with our other factor of 1, 2, and 0. And so what this is saying is 2x minus 1 is our last remaining factor after we've divided by x plus 2 and x minus 1. All right, so that is completely factored. Let's look at what the problem was asking us to do. All right, so the last thing we need to do is list all the real zeros. The real zeros are x equals 1, negative 2, and 1/2. And we could use a graphing utility. We're going to use, if we did that, we'd graph it, and then we'd use the 0 option in the calculate menu just below the min and max options, which we've used before. All right, if you have any questions, we will see you in class.